Hey guys, this is Mike from MRDZYN Studio and welcome to my YouTube channel.
What is Data Privacy Act of 2012? Republic Act No. 10173, otherwise known as the Data Privacy Act, is a law that seeks to protect all forms of information. It is meant to cover both natural and juridical persons involved in the processing of private, personal, or sensitive information. What is personal information? It is any information which can be linked to a person's identity. The Data Privacy Act applies to individuals and legal entities that process personal information with some exceptions. Is your company ready to be data privacy compliant? Our privacy blog is coming soon. design.mrdzyn.com